Okay, so let's move ahead and make the same exercise we just did, but this time instead of using organic shapes like we did in the first exercise, we're gonna start by using lines. So we can do the same exercise, sketching a bunch of lines like this, and see if your brain picks up on any shape here that you might want to continue to work on. So for example here, I'm starting to see something interesting here. This shape, I kind of like this shape. And it's nothing that I thought about before, beforehand. This just came up right now as I was doing this exercise. So what I want to do now is start to explore to see if there's really something there. With absolutely no pressure at all. If it's nothing, if you feel like it doesn't really give you anything, that's totally fine. Just move on with, continue to do these lines.